Okay, next we're going to add the housings to or the pin housings to the cables. So the kit comes with 3 cables, 2 4-conductor cables, and 1 2-conductor cable. And the housings are these small rectangular black things. The 2 4-conductor cables will have 4-pin housings on each end, and the 2-conductor cable will have a 2-pin housing on one end, and then separate single-pin housings on the other end. So I will assemble one and then just show you what it looks like when we're done. If you look carefully at the pins, you'll see one side you can see the wire where it's crimped in. You see the copper color. If I look on the other side, then it's just all silver, right? All silver. So I want to hold it so that the side showing the copper is facing me. Excuse me. Then I want to take the housing, one of the housing that matches the number of pins, in this case a 2 housing. I want to hold it so that these little holes, you see there are 2 holes on one side, are away from me. Well, I mean they're facing me, but they're on the end furthest away from me. So I want to take these 2 pins and partially insert them like that into the housing. Hopefully you can see that I've got the copper showing up. The openings are pointing up, and the openings are on the far end from where the wires go in. So when I get it sort of aligned like that, then I can push gently until you hear a little click. Well, I don't know if you heard that click or not, but if you get it all the way in, then you can gently pull out and it won't come back. And you can see there are little things that clip up, little metal pieces that spring out into those little gaps to hold it in place. So we've just put a 2-pin housing on the end of that wire. When we're finished, then we will have 4-conductor housings on the either end of the 2 4-conductor cables. And we will have 2 single pins on one end of the 2-conductor and 1 on the other, 1 2-pin housing on the other end. Now you'll notice that this one has been looped up, and so we do want to do that. We want to take the 2-conductor, once you put the pin housings on, make 2 loops in the middle, and those loops can be like, I don't know, 1/2, 3/4 of an inch, so that it looks something like that. And then we can take the wire tie and slip the wire tie through. You want to fasten it on the side where the 2 wires come in and out. Pull that tight. Okay, and then you can take some scissors or diagonal cutters, trim off the excess, and then you'll have an assembly with the housings on that looks like that we'll use in a later step. So put those cables aside for just a moment, then we'll go on to the next step.